In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new account or sub-account in QuickBooks Online, ensuring your financial management is both efficient and organized. Let's dive into the process step by step, ensuring everything is clear and straightforward. First, you'll want to head over to QuickBooks Online and log into your account. Make sure you have your login details at hand. Once you're in, direct your attention to the left side menu. Here, you'll find an option labeled Transactions. Clicking this will take you to a broader view of your company's financial activities. This is a critical part of QuickBooks as it allows you to monitor your financial interactions comprehensively. Next, we're going to navigate to the Chart of Accounts. This can be found as a tab in your QuickBooks interface, typically within the Transactions menu. Click on it, and you'll be greeted with a comprehensive list of all your accounts. Think of this as the backbone of your company's finances. Understanding it fully will empower your financial decision-making. If you need to add a new account or a sub-account, look for the New Account button. Clicking this will open up a form where you'll be required to enter various details about the account. Start with the account name. Choose a name that is both descriptive and indicative of the account's purpose. This will help in identifying accounts quickly in the future. After naming your account, the next step is selecting an appropriate account type. It's important to select the correct category here, as this will determine how QuickBooks classifies and treats this account in reports and analyses. For example, if you're creating an account for business expenses, you might select Expenses. Following this, you'll need to select a detail type. This step adds another layer of specificity, helping you to further categorize your account. Once you've chosen, there will be an option right below labeled Make this a sub-account. If your new account is designed to be a subset of an existing account, ensure this box is checked. Continuing, you'll now select a parent account. This is a vital step if you're indeed creating a sub-account. For illustrative purposes, let's say we're organizing under wage expenses. We're almost done. The next section allows for adding tax details, default tax code. This step is crucial for ensuring your financial records align with tax reporting requirements. Additionally, there's the description field. Here you can provide a brief description of the account, helping others who might access your books understand its purpose. Finally, after reviewing all the details you've entered, click on Save. This will create your sub-account and integrate it seamlessly within the parent account setup. Now, it's ready for you to access and utilize as needed. And there you have it. Your new sub-account is up and running within QuickBooks, ready to aid in your financial tracking and management.